Hello students, how are you? I'm your computer teacher Prakash Srivastav, and today I have brought you new topics from the second chapter. But before watching this video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you subscribe, as you know, if you subscribe, you will get the next video notification on your mobile. So now today let us start the next topic from the second chapter. And but before telling about the next topic, first we look at a glance about the last in videos I what I told you. As a selecting multiple files and folder, as you know this option is very important in the Windows, because we can select the multiple files, and we can, according to our the convenience, we can select the different files and folder at the same time. Here the selecting multiple file folders, there is a selection here, and there are two types of the selection here: adjacent selection and non-adjacent selection. In adjacent selection, we can see here we can select the multiple files in a series wise pressing the shift key. And in non-adjacent selection, we can see here we can select here the some folders and some file at the same time. Here the selection, you can see this selection is called here the adjacent selection, from starting the select first folder then last here in a sequence wise. But in the non-adjacent selection, we can jump here the selection, we can select here according to our convenience. Here for like here the folder files, we can leave one folder, then again we can select the next folder. Means according to our the selection convenience, we can select here the different files and folder. So here are the two types of the selection here: adjacent selection and non-adjacent selection. And if you want to select the all the folders at the same time, then you can press then you can use here the shortcut key. Here's the pressing the control plus a, the combination of the control key and plus a, you can select the all the files and folder at the same time. Here the student, this is a selection here. And then you can see on the screen, here's given the activity: try true and false. Here Windows 7 has a new start button and start menu, that is true. Sticky notes minimize all open windows. False. Gadgets provide information and are fun to use, that is true. And to restore a file means to bring it back after deletion, that is true. Press and hold alt key while selection adjacent file and folder, that is a false. Here this is if true and false, and which you can see and understand what is a true, what is a correct, and what is a here false. You can understand it is here. And if you want to understand more about here, so then you can read this sentence and try to understand from the videos also. Here now here the telling about the next topic here: changing the view of files and folder. And the screen, you can student, you can see properly here given the changing view of files and folder. The Windows 7 provides us many different ways to view our files and folder in Windows Explorer. The student, as you know, Windows Explorer, as I told in my last video to how to open the Windows Explorer, once again I am telling to you how to open Windows Explorer. First of all, you will click on the start button, then you will click all programs, then you will select the accessories folder. As you click on the accessories folder, you will get there the Windows Explorer. And when you click on the Windows Explorer, the screen will be divided into two parts. First part will be here. This is you can I can show you here the Windows Explorer screen, which is divided into two parts. Here this is a student, here you can see this is a screen here given. This is the as a file list pan, and this is a navigation pan. In navigation pan, all the sources of the system we can see, all the drives we can see here, all the storage devices here we can, what are attached with the system we can see here. And we can see also here the some files and folders. Now students, you can see here the This is the Windows Explorer screen where you can see here the two parts of the this is screen here. First is the navigation pane and second here is the file list pane. And here you can see also one thing here. This is the libraries from this Windows Explorer. We can see here the four important folders of these libraries. So this folder stores the all the documents stored in your drive, store in your computer. This is a music folder, picture folders, and videos folder. So this document folder all stores all the documents type files store it, and all the types of music file it store it, and pictures and videos. So when you download from the internet also, then it stores automatically in this folder. And if you save your files and folder, automatically that files and folders into store in this folder here. So this is a very important folders of library because it stores automatically in the system. So students, today as we know here, the changing the files view of folders, changing the view of files and folder here. The students say Windows 7 as a key providers many here the views. So such as a views here, you can see on the extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list details, styles, and contents. So this is according here given. If you want to store the such a, this is a option which you want to convenience about according to your view, you can here select. As you open the Windows Explorer, you find this view button on the here the menu bar. Beside the menu bar, it is a given here. When you click on this drop down menu will be appeared, and you can select any type of the view options from this here. If you want to see over the files and folder in a large scale, in a big form, you can select here the extra large icons and large icons and medium icons. So this is giving here the such a opportunity to see your files and folders in according to your as a convenience. Then after that, we see here the grouping files and folder means according to your as a according to your convenience, you can select the here the group options, like as if you want to give the see the according to the name means alphabetical ABCD, according ascending or descending, date, modified, type, and size. So these are given here such a as a group option by which you can see these option here. So as a how can we see the folder and files in detail wise or in a name wise or date wise? So first of all, what we will click here, you will click here in the blank area, right click of the empty area you can say, and select here the group by. And when you select the group by, automatically pop-up menu will be displayed, and from that you can see here the given the name, date, modified, type, and size here. Any category you can select for your as a grouping here. If you want to see the name wise alphabetical, we can select here name wise. If you want to see the date modified, when it was created, what that date was created of that file, you can select here. Type according to the as a separately you can see folder and file separately. Size, according size means means which file is a more data, it that will be so in the first, then it will second, like in a descending order you can, or ascending order you can see here. So this is here the such options as a there are four group, as you can see four group here: the name, date, modified, type, and size here. Then after we find as a library in the Windows, as a told this library options as unique features, because when you download any files from internet, then it stores differently in documents and music, pictures, and here the videos. So this is a very important folder, that is a library. So it means we can see here the library is a collection of files and folders, and these files and folders can be located in different drives and locations on your computer. So it doesn't create shortcut key to these files, it just displays displays all these files at one place. It means when you in these libraries folder doesn't create any shortcut key of any files. So when you save or when you store any files or folder, it saves in a original form. So here the Windows 7's come for the four default libraries like as a document, music, pictures and videos. You can see also on the screen here is a given here a document, music, pictures and views here. And this is a icon of the library. You can see also in a well form, you can see here this is the library icon, and this library icon shows this is the important folders of the as a these documents, music, like pictures and videos here. The students, this is here the libraries. Then after you can see also about the as a homework. If you got your book, then you can fill up that, and here are some the correct answer. Take the correct answer, you can see on the screen, and you can check what is the correct and what is the wrong, as I have done for you here. And take the features of the Windows 7, it is also done for you here. And answer this question as I have given to to solve this question answer by seeing this video. You can solve the question answer, or if you have the book you can solve this. So here this is a given here, and this is also the next here the activity, next activity, as you can create two files using the paint and MS Word programs each in the D drive. Means this is for the as a practical. If you have the computer, then you can do in your at your home. Otherwise when school will be open, then we will do this practical in computer lab. And this next here the activity, this is a game naming the following icons. This is a forward button, my pictures, libraries, new files, start button and back button. So these are button important in the Windows 7 here. The students, for watching this video, as I'm very thankful to you. You watch video very carefully, as prepare the your book, prepare your homework also, complete your homework also, and complete your all activity also. Okay, thank you student, thank you for watching this video.